Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Putting a hitch on your Hyundai Santa Fe can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let me show you how we complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. To begin this installation, we need to lower the spare tire. We access that in the cargo area. You can now remove the underbody panel from behind the driver's side wheel. Remove 3 fasteners with a screwdriver. You can now unscrew 2 plastic nuts with a 14mm socket on an extension. We're now ready to lower our exhaust. There will be 3 rubber hangers to lower. First, let's support the exhaust with a strap. We can now lower our exhaust with exhaust removal pliers. You can use soapy water to help with this. Remove 1 rubber plug from each frame rail with a screwdriver. We are now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend that you get a second set of hands. The hitch is a little heavy. We are now ready to install the provided hardware. Place the teeth of the conical tooth washer facing the hitch plate. Start by hand tightening only both of the bolts that go up into the frame rail. Using a 19mm socket, tighten this second vertical bolt until the horizontal bolt holes are aligned. For your 2 horizontal bolts, you may want to use your 19mm socket to tighten them snugly, but do not tighten them all the way. We need to get all 6 bolts in before we come back and torque the hardware. To access this bolt, you may need a 1-inch extension. Now that all 6 bolts are in place, we're ready to torque the hardware down to the manufacturer's specifications. We're now ready to replace the exhaust by putting all 3 rubber hangers back in place. You can now reinstall the underbody panel. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 14 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.